type of chart that combines two or more type of charts. Combo chart. How about a type of chart that displays or talks about trends over time? Line chart. Now, can you give me an exact step on how to sort the data using the data tab? The correct step. Basic lang. Give me the basic step. Makakita ang data tab dili sa phone tab. Pag-sort. Kasi first na tabahatan. I-click ang column. Right? Pag-uman, go to data tab. After, select kung asa na sorting gusto. Is it either A to Z, Z to A, or multi-level na sorting. Another question. How do you remove filters in Excel? Sa imong buhatan. I-click mo ang filter, itong arrow, and then click lang ang clear filter. Okay mo nag-mind no. Or, there are two ways, right? I-click mo yung column or arrow, at din ka sa home, at dito ang clear filter sa sort and filter group. What feature you should use to organize information hierarchically? I don't know how to pronounce this. Hierarchy, right? From the word hierarchy. I'm so done with this one. For example, sort mo siya by name A to Z, and then for the money is like largest to smallest. This kind of feature, i-sort mo ang duha ka column or duha ka data. What feature is that? Manage siya sa type of sorting. Yes, advanced multi-level sorting. Katakong ano ba nga, pwede ang pangalan, pwede po ang values. Okay? So you can add, right? You can add columns. So asa man siya na ito makita. Para mag-visualize ninyo na.